Hi everybody, welcome back. Another technical tips. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about certification for DevOps engineers. My name is Daniel O. I'm working for Red Hat as a technical marketing major. Let's get started. DevOps teams appreciate using DevOps process specifically in multi and hybrid cloud infrastructures for many regions. For one thing, DevOps breaks down barriers and enables agile software development and continuous delivery of IT operations. It's also popular in enterprises because it helps accelerate business outcome through the digital transformation. DevOps engineer also and site reliability engineers, also known as SRE, help organization achieves their performance objectives because they have a high level skill set required to use the tools that orchestrate DevOps pipeline from the automated application build to continuous integration and multi-stage testing and continuous deployment under hybrid cloud. As agile practices and process move deeper into enterprises companies, so experts with the knowledge to scale the framework can become more valuable in DevOps team and across their organization. This is the reason why you need to establish your DevOps expertise and become more valuable in the job marketplace with these certifications. Okay, so what kind of DevOps certification you have to consider with your expertise? So first of all, the successful career in DevOps engineering requires knowledge of agile practices and excellent collaboration skill and the ability to drive on the rapid response times. So DevOps related certification, including the ones listed, I'm going to talk a little bit about the below, will strengthen your capabilities to align the market demands and demonstrate your expertise. So first of all, AC Agile certifications demonstrate an expertise in agile methodologies and a practice for DevOps initiatives. Training is basically a more than 150 member organization. And second, DevOps certification is a PMI Agile Certificate Practitioner, also known as PMI-ACP certification. This is certification recognizes the knowledge of the agile tools and principles. Certification requires passing the PMI ACP exam, which it costs more than 400 US dollars for the member. And there are many organizations which are using the Scale Agile framework, also known as SAFe, as the foundation to deliver lean software development. The Scale Agile Academy offers multiple SAFe certifications for various professions and roles. Certification is earned based on taking specific classes and passing exams. The course depends on which class you choose. And most important thing is open source tools and platforms enable DevOps teams to build, deploy, and manage the Rinse containers application with minimal effort. Kubernetes is a popular and growing platform to manage cluster of containers. So that's why Kubernetes certification is an excellent option for system admin, specifically who aspire to become DevOps professional in a soon. So these expertise will also help reduce human errors, minimize manual tasks, and eventually improve team collaboration across multiple open organizations. As you can see, there's a multiple DevOps certification by vendors and open source community or even open source organization. So these certification will establish your DevOps credential and help you encourage your teams to embrace DevOps practices. Certification is not the end of your DevOps learning journey. Rather, it's the first step is becoming DevOps professionals. In order to keep up with the latest tools and technologies, please continue to practice your skills and stay in touch with the new about DevOps trend and insight. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe for the next interesting video about technical tips, demo, and tutorial. And have a good rest of the day.